One second.
Thank you. Fine, that is coming. One more fine. Yeah, fine, that is coming. तो अभी
Open the bag, open the bag.
And you are doing a very good job. What you want to tell to public? What you want to Yeah, I'd like to introduce to say that first time two big organizations have come together. Rotary Club of Bangalore Cantonment and Sishu Mandir. Rotary Club of Bangalore Cantonment is a service organization with 1.2 million Rotarians around the globe in 180 countries and across 33,000 clubs. We are one of them, and throughout we have been doing service to the humanity. I got with me President Bharat Bail, who will say two lines about Cantonment Club, and I will continue with the Sishu Mandir after that.
We are very happy here as Rotary Bangalore Cantonment to come here and provide food during this lockdown period, because we feel a lot of people have been affected, and we are extremely proud and privileged to be a part or in partnership with Sishu Mandir, a wonderful organization. And together, we always believe we can always do much bigger.
How many kits are distributed today, sir?
Today?
Today, yeah.
Today we have distributed 200 kits. Overall, I think we have crossed over 2,500 in Rotary. And I think, how much in Sishu Mandir?
2,900.
2,000, say close to 3,000 there. So I think around 20,000 families have been benefited.
What is your message to the public, sir?
Sorry?
Message to public.
Message to public is, as Rotary, as a service organization, we are always there to help, and you can always count on us to be of service to all of you. Thank you. My name is Bharat Bail. I am the president of Rotary Bangalore Cantonment. Thank you.
Sishu Mandir is an organization meant for child development. Over the years, we felt that it is better not only the child, but also the family and the environment. We have been working at the grassroots level in around 12 villages in Krishna Rajapuram area, and we have children picked up and educated. They are all now today studying post-graduation, and some of them are working in the IT industries. We are very proud of this school, and this saga of Sishu Mandir will be written again and again. My name is Seshagiri. I am the president of Sishu Mandir. I am also a Rotary Cantonment Club member. Thank you so much. Complex project like this, it is always essential we work with NGOs who are very familiar with the territory. So here I got a brilliant person, Anita, This she hails from the organization called Gall, and they have done a great job. You can see all around lot of volunteers, and she is a great organizer. Now it's pleasure for me to introduce to you Gil Gall.
Thank you, sir.
Anit.
ಗಿಲ್ಗಲ್ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ನಾವು 18 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ more than 18 years in field grassroots level. We have done a good flood relief programs and child labor program, midday meal program. Moreover, all over in Bangalore, we are distributing 7,500 food every day in the COVID-19 program. Then we distributing more than 3,000 kits, different supporters. One is Shishu Mandir, another one is Rotary, another one is Giant Red Organization, Namma Bangalore. We have gathered to done these jobs in Bangalore.
How are you feeling to work like this? How are you feeling to work like this?
I'm happy to work like this charity works. We're working more in charity works in Bangalore.
Bangalore Cantonment, we have been trying to do our best to help in the COVID-19 operations. So we have been helping the police department by supplying them various requirements like face masks, megaphones, posters, and whatever other equipment they require. We have also been trying to cater to the underprivileged by giving them packets of dry groceries and food packets. We have distributed about 1,900 packets so far. Including this, it is about 2,500. So we are trying Rotary. We are a part of Rotary International. We are a service organization, the largest in the world, and we are trying to do whatever little bit we can to help people alleviate the problems they are facing. Thank you very much.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ದೂರ 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 ದೂರ
You can relax now. It's not taking you.
I am relaxed. We are pulling her leg and we started moving. Please do that.
Bangalore Cantonment. Okay. We, along with Dr. Shabir, Mr. Arun Bora, we took up a drive initially for serving the COVID warriors. That is, ideally it was the police department. Okay. We started equipping them with some PPE, like personal gowns, protective headgears, masks, gloves and sanitizers. And we have touched to around 2,550 family with 1 month of ration. And we've also touched the transgenders. People have usually not been thinking about them because they're completely out of business. And being a part of their profession, usually prostitution and begging. So even the government has not looked at them as that the complaint we've been receiving. So we have been trying to meet them. We have covered close to around 300 transgenders and needy and the people, and we are actually trying to now start reaching to isolated immigrants who are like we got a call from Magadi, almost on the rural Bangalore. 34 people are without food actually from last 6 days. We've gone physically and done that.
Till now, how far you have covered?
That's what we've touched close to around 3,000 families. We've covered the complete East Division Bangalore. We've tried reaching Magadi. We tried reaching Baipanhalli, Indiranagar, and continue this for the next 1 month, or even if required lockdown goes for a longer time. Me and my team and our president from Rotary Bangalore Cantonment will always be there to support the people.
Other than this, you're giving ration kit also?
Yeah, we're giving ration kit. We have reached to 3,000 families.
And you have given mask also?
Yeah. Masks, now we are, from Tuesday we're starting a new campaign. It's going to be hygiene along with the ration. What we'll be doing is we'll be carrying a water can, and we'll be going to slums. Any person we'll meet on the way, we'll give them soap and a mask, and we'll talk to them about the awareness.
Are the charges are free or something? Or?
Everything is free. Everything is free. It's completely sponsored by Rotary Bangalore Cantonment.
What is your last message? Your message?
Nothing. All I would say is everybody should try help how Dr. Shabir and I think the police department by staying safe at home. And let's fight this out. Let's just fight this out. There are a lot of NGOs like us who are coming up, and we will support. We'll try to reach you all.
Thank you. Thank you. So tell me about what is your initiative, how you are doing.
I'm basically from Bangalore,
Okay, sir.
Bharti Nagar.
Okay.
So with the guidance of the ACP madam, Tabruk Fatima madam, and the guidance of the Rotary Club, I Shabir Bhai, Dr. Shabir Bhai, and Rotary Club Shabir Bhai. So we have started giving groceries for all of the slums. Yeah, Fraser Town slums we have given, Moore Road slums, Tani Road slums, Rajiv Gandhi Colony, Cobblers Colony, and Makan compound. Every slums almost we have covered everything. And 2,000 kits we have already given. We go and find out who are the people who are in need. We issue them a token one day before, see what is their condition, and we reach them the next day by
How many kilometers do you travel every day?
100 to 125 kilometers we travel every day.
How many calls do you receive?
It is more than 50 calls we receive daily.
Okay.
And from the DCP, we get a call to the ACP madam that people who are in need, they give their number, their address and all. So they give us, in fact, again, they are in need of food. So we reach them, see their condition, give them ration kit from the Rotary, what they give. We give them and see their basic needs. If they want medicines, food, everything, we give them. And if they require food also, food packets also, we try to reach them. Yesterday, transgender people had called up, they require 400 packets of food because of the positive, this thing, that kitchen was closed. So today we have supplied them.
You are doing so much for the poor, and you have helped Dr. Mohiuddin also. So what is your take on Corona?
See, the whole, first of all, I would like to thank you for coming and talking to us. That is the most important aspect. And the take on Corona is that this is a virus which is quite a deadly one, and it has involved a lot of lives. But we can fight it. The way we can fight it is that stay at home, make sure that your social distancing is taken place, make sure that you repeatedly keep washing your hands, and at the same time protect using masks, which is the wearable ones, the washable ones which are there at home. Please use that. Once if you are able to use that, you will be able to prevent the droplet infection and the spread. And with this, we will be able to take over the Corona pandemic which is spread across the world and try and prevent the further problems which are there in the country.
Any other thing to fight down this virus, because only except social distancing? Do you think, when the vaccine will be ready, and as a doctor, exactly what's going to happen? And
see, as of now, a lot of people are looking at the vaccine development. Even Indian government also is looking at that particular aspect. But at the same time, the various development of the vaccines will take some time. So meanwhile, while this particular thing is getting developed, I think if we maintain the aspects what are required, I think we'll be able to sort this particular thing, and meanwhile the vaccines will come over and we'll be able to win over this particular pandemic.
Doctor, in your hospital, any like people have come here with symptoms, and any other patients, like, because now with coronavirus, a lot of patients are not coming to the hospital.
See,
and you have made an initiative of sending Dr. Mohiuddin in the ambulance. So what made you think that?
See, we do have some patients who would have come to the hospital with various symptoms and signs. So what, as per the protocol of ICMR as well as the government of Karnataka, what we have done is the minute we have any patients, we generally screen them and once we screen them with a questionnaire and a scoring system, what we do is we send them to the respective places where the blood tests, the nasal swabs can be taken, and once if they are proven that they are negative, they are welcome to come back to a hospital, and we are happy to treat them across.
So there is, patients have become very less in any hospital now. Do you think that the people think a lot and that's why they fall sick, or now that they are not thinking of any other disease except corona?
That could be there in their minds, but what I would also think is that because of the lockdown, the people are not wanting to come out, and only if there is a dire emergency, that's when they are reaching to the hospitals.
So your final message, because in front of your hospital you can see so many unwanted people going in scooters, cars, and even the police are trying their best, but nothing's happened. So as a doctor, just saying final message.
My final message to public would be is please stay at home. That is very important. This will help us. We are all working in the particular hospitals to protect the public from having this particular thing. So if they are able to stay at home, we'll be able to try and reduce this particular pandemic which is there across the world.
Dr. Santosh was very clear in his views that saying that to stay at home to only fight the coronavirus. He also said that people should be clean, wash their hands regularly, and also that to make awareness to others that how dangerous this disease is if you come out and spread. Until you don't stay, we can't fight this. This is Rizwan Asad for Nashiman News, Bangalore.